it's like, what, $5? I have dollars for that.
Right.
Like, I brought dollars expecting to be able to, like, enter Smash, or Smash 4 and Melee, and then I couldn't enter Melee.
Alright,
So that barking, like, high-pitched, dying chihuahua you heard was actually Casey sneezing. And with that, we're going straight into, we're now going into actual Melee doubles play.
It is an all-out brawl. Like, there is...
It really is.
The coordination, don't need it.
I haven't, like, been able to absorb enough information to, like, see if there's coordination or not. There's just kind of people going. We've got 2 stocks down, 1 from each side. It looks like the stock tank for the blue team is going to be Luigi.
Yeah.
I think based off of just character, the stock tank on the red team should be looking to be Link.
Yeah.
Although
Yoshi's not doing too bad.
No, he's not. Although he did just dash attack his teammate.
Yeah.
That's not a great strategy, I don't think. But sometimes you do what you gotta do.
I mean, the Luigis will do it too. Why not?
Yeah, it'll happen.
The important part is teamwork. Hit each other. Or the other people. It doesn't matter.
I mean, if you watch Westball's play doubles,
is...
his strategy is basically try to kill his teammate while his teammate tries to kill the other two. That's Westball's, everybody. Westball's doubles.
So, I noticed that when the Luigis are around one single character, they corner them.
That seems smart. Seems like a good plan.
Which is a pretty good idea. Oh, that up B just killed both of them.
Yes, yes it did. That was a double kill from...
B, I mean. Yeah.
It almost looked like one of them hit the other.
Yeah.
And then it caused, like, the downfall of the both.
Yeah.
Okay, so the one with the derm tag is starting to kind of, like, hold down, trying to, like, crouch cancel things, including his own teammate stuff, so they can, like, be more active.
Yeah.
Rather than getting slapped around by the chaos that is doubles. I think if red team can take more advantage of Link and, like, bombs and stuff, and have Yoshi going in and just going ham. Yoshi's a character I think that can just go nuts on these people.
I think, you know, it's hard playing doubles.
It really is.
But
especially on a stage like FD.
Yeah, I think the teams need to, like, help each other out, especially when you're getting slapped around.
Yeah, I agree with that. Like, I'm not particularly sure how well Link can help, like, Yoshi. I think Luigi is actually a very good complement to Luigi.
Yeah, yeah. They can up B each other from very low, as long as they don't, you know, sure you can...
They can strategically Luigi ladder and save themselves.
That probably would have killed that Luigi.
That ledge grab. And that was Sasq and amPunk taking game 1 to start off our melee doubles.
Now we've got to switch to a Captain Falcon from the Link player, Sasq.
I don't know legal stages for doubles.
I know for a fact, is Congo Jungle?
I believe it is double legal.
Oh.
Is this doubles legal? It almost seems like it would be too small for doubles. I'm not entirely sure. They go Dreamland. I agree with Dreamland.
Yeah. Dreamland is big enough.
We've taken Link.
The down smashes, though. Just go at it.
The Luigi wave dash down smash. It's really silly with 2 Luigis on one team.
Right.
Like they're just going in with these.
You know, I imagine it like 2 sets of blades spinning.
Yeah.
With each other. That's dangerous to be in the middle of.
It really is. I wonder if it's timed correctly, they could break a shield with it without like letting up shield pressure. They
I
gotta
wonder.
sure you get. It happened. We heard the ching, but unfortunately it was on Captain Falcon with 0%.
Yeah.
Oh, we got a jab reset from Sasq. Sasq got a jab reset on the Falcon, but didn't get a follow up. That's super neat to like. Oh,
Double
we got
forward.
the double $2 slices going on the Captain Falcon.
Ooh.
It feels like just a second ago, Falcon was at like 40%, and now he was at 140% down.
Yeah.
These Luigi seem to have a really commanding lead in this game.
Yeah.
They're up a solid 2 stocks.
It's hard comboing those floaties, man.
It really is. Oh, that was really neat. They had both of the red players between the two of them, and one of them started down smashing, and that could have led to all sorts of craziness. A misfire. If that Yoshi had jumped into a platform, he would have got.
Yeah.
He would have got wrecked.
Well, don't hit your teammates.
No. We're West Balls, remember?
Oh yeah, everybody's West Ball.
West Balls is good at killing himself and his teammates. He's also super good at style.
It's hard to follow her. Good down air. The down air is so unappreciated.
Which down air? There's a lot of them.
Luigi's down air.
Yes. Luigi's down air will kill. And you won't expect it.
Potentially Meteor.
Oh yeah.
So it's a win-win whether you hit it or not.
The Sasq Luigi going for the Shoryuken and not quite getting it. Oh, there it is!
Ooh.
Falcon Punch Punish for the Shoryuken, like, didn't do much. But that was great. Sasq saw the Falcon Punch and he was like, no, get out of here, I'm gonna Shoryuken. They're getting in that position where they're sort of surrounding them.
Yeah. They're,
I kind of like the, surrounding Luigi.
Right?
It seems like it's actually terrifying.
I mean... Ooh, what are they gonna do here? I want to see something really...
Shoryuken.
Oh!
It's gonna be a hold into Shoryuken.
Oh!
That's what they're going for.
They've got enough stocks to play around.
Yeah.
Enough time.
Oh, they have a lot of extra room to wiggle here. Oh! Just jab into Shoryuken.
Oh!
Shoryuken trying to get that style points. Shoryuken the teammate to set up for the teammate Shoryukening the opponent.
That would be amazing.
That would have been really, really cute.
Alright.
Sasq and amPunk taking it 2-0, or